Welcome, and follow me with SHARP Aquos S2, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So to start off, we will need to actually open up the browser, and for this I'm using Chrome. And from here, to clear it, what you want to do is tap on the two little dots. I have an arrow right here, but as you can see, now there are dots. So tap on here, and then choose History. And from History, you can remove each history individually by just tapping on it like so, or you can tap on Clear Browsing Data, and from here choose what you want to remove. So browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images. I'm just gonna keep everything on to remove basically everything. And then also on top here you have the time period that you can set that you want to remove. Now I can just keep on the last hour because there is no other data than from basically this hour right now. But assuming you want to remove everything, you could just select all time or some period like 4 weeks, 7 days, or 24 hours, doesn't really matter. So choose whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep for 1 hour, and then I'm gonna tap on Clear Data. And as you can see now, all the data is gone. That's where previously there was history, the two other sites, and it's gone now. So that is basically how you clear browsing data. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.